Hi, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Sketch Engine's WordSketch feature. So for this tutorial, we are going to use Brown Corpus in Sketch Engine. Brown Corpus, so we type Brown Corpus on the here. Then I will add Sketch Engine. So we are going to use Brown Corpus in the Sketch Engine. Then we search Brown Corpus. And right here on the top, we see WordSketch and WordSketch difference. So under WordSketch, we see some details, collocations, and word combinations. So WordSketch is a kind of improved collocation feature. It adds some grammatical relations analysis into the collocation. Well, actually, you can also use the standard collocation analysis in Sketch Engine. So how to do that? You can go to Sketch Engine's concordance feature, and then you query the word which you want to understand its collocates. I'm going to input make here and search, and then you click these three dots up here. Then you're going to see some collocates here. So here we see the first top 20 collocates. What you have here is the collocate and also some statistical measures, and they are ordered based on the log dice statistical association measure. But here we don't see any grammatical relation analysis. So for instance, we see a number of words which can potentially be the subject or the object of the verb make. So we see it, him, you, them. So it is possible for these words to be subjects or objects, but we have to invert this by ourselves. Using the WordSketch analysis, we are going to have collocates that have been categorized using grammatical relations. So if you click here and enter the query, so we're going to use the same query here, make. So you can see that all the collocates have been organized based on certain grammatical relations, for instance, object, subject, and modifier. Okay. Now, you can also visualize this. And this is what you will see later if you use Brown Corpus. But for different corpora, the result will be slightly different. But most likely, you're going to see a pie diagram like this. Okay. And you can make the collocates fewer by sliding it here. Okay, so you're going to see fewer collocates. If you choose, you can also see more collocates, just slide into more, and the diagram will be more populated. You can also select on which grammatical relation which you want to see or which you don't want to see. So for instance, I just want to observe grammatical relations for object, subject, and NP adjective complement. So I will take this and I will untick the remaining two here. So what we have is on the object, subject, and NP adjective complement. Going to make this fewer. Okay. Now, what about WordSketch difference? In essence, it has similarities with WordSketch, but you can compare collocations, more precisely WordSketch, of two different words. So I'm going to input make here as the first lemma. On the second lemma, I'm going to input create. So I want to know whether there are some there are some nouns that can exclusively be assigned as the object of make, or can be exclusively be assigned as the objects of create, or as an object of these two verbs. Okay, so we click go here, and you're going to see a slightly different visualization. Okay, so earlier you saw a list with just one color. Now you see some list with two different colors here, and just one here. Okay, but mostly you will see two different colors, or depending on the whether or not the color kits are present for the two different lemma which you have input as queries. So we see here make is green and create is red. And let's discuss this as the object. So these words can serve as the object of make if they are green. If they are red, they can serve as the object of create, which is right here. And if it has no color, it's just white, it can serve as a subject for both. Okay, so you can see that in addition to categorize collocates by grammatical relations, they also highlight collocates for different queries. We can also visualize this, but you're not going to see pie diagram anymore. So you're going to see a diagram like this, and you can change the grammatical relation. So I'm going to change this to object, and you can also choose to see more collocates, or you can also choose to see fewer collocates. Okay, and that's how to use WordSketch and WordSketch different features in Sketch Engine. If you have any question, drop them on the comments space. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.